Kate here with WTI. Now, believe it or not, this compact rug is 6 by 9. Huge outdoor rug from Vaukki. I love how portable this is. I can take it anywhere with me. I can take it on a picnic or out to the beach, or it can stay right on my deck under my patio set. It's got a really beautiful pattern, several shades of gray and white. Very neutral, goes with everything. It's made of a water-resistant material, so you can leave this out in the rain. It's not going to get damaged from being outdoors in the elements. The edges are nicely reinforced so that it won't fray. It'll stay together. It's nice and rugged. So I love that it comes with stakes. If it's a particularly windy day, but you want to bring it outdoors, you can just stake it right to the ground. It also comes with a carrying case so that it is really portable. You could leave it right in the back of the car if you wanted. So if you're looking for an outdoor rug that's versatile, but that's going to get you through the summer months so that you always have a spot to lay down outdoors, you're going to love this one. And that's my point of view.